Imagine this. You've been told your whole life that women are a mystery, impossible to figure out, especially as you get older and life throws more curveballs your way. But what if I told you that's just a myth holding you back from deeper connections that could actually boost your overall well-being? Today, we're diving into 4 subtle shifts that can transform how you interact, leading to less stress, more confidence, and even better hormonal balance in your daily life. Let's kick things off by flipping that old narrative on its head. You see, understanding connection isn't about decoding some secret code, it's about tuning into the natural signals we all send and receive. And when you get this right, it doesn't just improve your relationships, it can lower cortisol levels, that sneaky stress hormone that drains your energy and vitality, especially for men over 40 navigating busy lives. Think about it. Have you ever felt that hesitation before starting a conversation, wondering if you'll say the right thing? That's normal, but here's the game changer: most people crave genuine interaction, yet they rarely spell it out. Biologically, our brains are wired for social bonds that release feel-good chemicals like oxytocin, which helps combat isolation and supports heart health. Drawing from years of research in psychology and neuroscience, studies show that men who actively engage in positive social exchanges report higher levels of satisfaction and even improved immune function. It's like giving your body a natural tune-up. So, let's explore the first key shift: stepping up to initiate contact in a way that feels effortless and respectful. Picture a busy coffee shop on a weekend morning. You're there grabbing your usual, and across the room, someone catches your eye with a warm vibe. Deep down, many folks hope for that spark of conversation, but they won't wave you over. It's part of the dance of human interaction. This reluctance stems from evolutionary roots where vulnerability was risky, but in modern times, it means missing out on opportunities that could enrich your emotional health. To make this practical, consider how approaching with calm assurance can actually elevate your testosterone naturally. A study from the Journal of Personality and Social Psychology found that confident social behaviors correlate with hormonal boosts, helping you feel more energized and focused. It's not about being bold for show, it's about showing up authentically, which reduces anxiety over time. Here's an analogy: think of it like starting a new workout routine. At first, it feels awkward, but with practice, your form improves, and so do the results, like stronger muscles or, in this case, stronger connections. Start small, notice a shared moment, like commenting on the weather or a book they're holding, and deliver it with a relaxed smile. This simple act can open doors without pressure. But what if it doesn't land perfectly? That's okay, rejection isn't a personal failure, it's often about timing or their own day. Men who bounce back from these moments build resilience, which research links to lower rates of depression and better sleep quality. So, embrace it as practice for lifelong vitality. Moving on, this next insight builds beautifully on the first. It's about mastering the art of how you make that initial move, because the delivery matters as much as the intent. Get this wrong, and it can spike unnecessary tension. Get it right, and it sets a foundation for trust that benefits both your mental and physical health. Envision walking into a networking event after a long week. Your posture slouched from desk work, energy low. But adjusting that, standing tall, shoulders back, changes everything. Science backs this: power poses, as studied by Harvard researchers, can increase testosterone by up to 20% in just 2 minutes, making you feel more capable and approachable. The key is balance: confident but not overwhelming. Women, like anyone, respond to subtle cues of safety and warmth, which trigger mirror neurons in the brain, fostering empathy and connection. This isn't manipulation, it's human biology at work, promoting bonds that can reduce chronic stress and support cardiovascular health. For actionable advice, prepare beforehand, choose clothes that make you feel good, not flashy, just fitting your style. Add a subtle scent, nothing overpowering, as olfactory senses tie directly to emotional memory, enhancing positive associations. Then, warm up by chatting with a barista or friend to get your social muscles flexing. When you approach, lead with curiosity, I couldn't help noticing your enthusiasm for that topic, it lit up the room. Mind if I join the chat? This invites without demanding, creating space for natural flow. If the energy dips, that's your cue to pivot gracefully, preserving dignity for everyone involved. And here's a relatable story to illustrate. I once knew a guy in his 50s, post-divorce, who felt rusty in social scenes. He started small, practicing these approaches at community events. Over months, not only did his connections deepen, but he reported more stamina in daily activities, attributing it to the confidence surge that naturally boosted his energy levels. Have you tried something similar and seen a shift in how you feel? It's fascinating how these small changes ripple out. But here's the part most overlook. Knowing when to linger or let go is where true emotional intelligence shines, preventing burnout and fostering healthier interactions. This awareness is crucial because pushing too hard can elevate stress hormones for both parties, while reading the room correctly keeps things light and empowering. Biologically, when comfort builds, subtle signs like open body language or engaged questions appear, releasing dopamine that makes the exchange rewarding. On the flip side, crossed arms or short replies signal a need for space, ignoring that can lead to awkwardness, but respecting it builds respect in return. Studies in social psychology emphasize that emotional attunement like this correlates with stronger relationships and even better hormonal regulation, helping men maintain vitality as they age. Practically, stay observant without overthinking. If the conversation flows with laughter and shared stories, lean in. But if it stalls, exit warmly. This has been refreshing, enjoy the rest of your day. This maturity often leaves a positive impression, sometimes sparking interest later. Think of it like gardening. You plant seeds with care, but you don't force growth, you nurture and know when to step back. Men who master this report feeling more empowered, with improved self-esteem that translates to better performance in all areas of life, from work to wellness. Where are you chatting from? Drop it in the comments section. I'd love to hear about your corner of the world and how these ideas resonate. Shifting gears, this ties into the fourth element. Taking the lead thoughtfully, without overstepping, which can truly elevate your sense of security and hers, leading to deeper, more fulfilling bonds. If you're enjoying this and want more practical health tips to boost your confidence and vitality, don't forget to subscribe and join our growing community. It means the world to support each other on this journey. Leadership in small ways signals reliability, activating trust pathways in the brain that reduce anxiety and promote closeness. For men over 50, this can be especially powerful, as decisiveness helps counteract age-related dips in energy by fostering purpose-driven actions. But it's not about control, it's collaborative. After a solid chat, suggest next steps calmly. This has been great, I'd enjoy grabbing coffee sometime. Here's my contact, reach out if that sounds good. This empowers choice, building mutual respect. Analogize it to driving a car. You steer with confidence, but you adjust based on road conditions, ensuring a smooth ride for everyone. Push too hard, and it's bumpy, lead gently, and the journey flows, enhancing emotional wellness. A quick story: a client in his 40s, feeling stagnant after years in a routine job, applied this in social settings. Not only did his relationships improve, but he noticed restored performance in workouts and daily tasks, linking it to the natural testosterone lift from empowered interactions. What do you think about this approach? Does it align with your experiences? These nuances can surprise you with their impact on overall health. To wrap this all together with a straightforward plan. First, breathe deeply before any interaction to center yourself, calming your nervous system for better focus. Second, hold gentle eye contact to convey presence, which studies show strengthens bonds and reduces isolation. Third, offer a genuine smile, it triggers endorphins, lightening the mood and supporting mental health. Fourth, highlight something real about them, like their insight or style, to build authenticity. Fifth, always part on a high note, reinforcing your emotional steadiness. These steps aren't just for romance, they enhance every interaction, helping you increase energy and restore balance in life. Especially if you're navigating changes like midlife shifts, remember, presence trumps perfection every time. As we wind down, know that embracing these shifts brings hope. You're not starting from scratch, you're building on your inherent strengths. Feel empowered to step out, connect, and thrive, because calm confidence is your key to lasting vitality. This is Dr. Alex from The Healthy Body, sharing insights to help you live your best life. If these tips resonated, hit that subscribe button for more on men's health and wellness. We're in this together.